The Mosley family is a fourth generation family business. We've been producing textiles now since 1954, our two factories based in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire. At the moment we hear an awful lot of how people are bringing manufacturing back to Britain. Well, at Phoenox we're very proud to say that we actually never left. We produce rugs, carpets, bath sets, barrier mats and of course our gorgeous hug rugs. We have worked very hard to ensure our factory has zero landfill. Our brands also show the strategy which we want to take forward into the future. For instance, our hug rug brand is manufactured 100% from recycled material. We use recycled cotton and we even recycle our own water. Our workforce are extremely important. We have such a power of skills and knowledge that won't be lost, that we'll be able to keep within the UK and follow on, and so we could educate our next generation of people into textiles.
Most of the workforce here comes from local villages, and I think the furthest travels about 10 miles.
In fact, we even have families that have 3 generations of the same family working here, which is wonderful that people come here to learn about the trade and can see a future in textiles by staying with us.
My older brother works in Tufton. My dad worked here 70 years.
They all come from the local surrounds of the villages and it has a really good, strong feeling.